We have English essays, some paragraph writing, and an autobiography today. To begin with, we'll be having My Dream for My Country, Saving Birds, Autobiography of a Tree, and a short paragraph on our grandparents. So, my dream for my country. India, my country, and a glorious history has always made us proud. Be it Aryabhatta's Zero, the Yoga Sadhana, the Ayurveda, or the more recent Chandrayaan, India continues to sparkle. My dream for my country is no different than any other fellow Indian. I too want my country to be self sufficient and corruption free, clean, green, and devoid of poverty. On saying this, I am completely aware that I am equally responsible for making the dream a reality. My dream is of India to be a place with equal girl population, with best infrastructure and adequate jobs, a place where women and elders feel free, secure, and respected, a place where education is the key motto because to develop India, it's important to educate India. Dreams transformed into thoughts and thoughts into actions will help achieve my dream for my country, India. Jai Hind. Thank you. Next is saving birds. Every morning, I wake up to the endless chirping of birds, sparrows, mynas, crows, all kinds of them. The sound is so soothing. It gives an instant feeling of well-being and warmth, which is difficult to explain. But of late, the sweet sounds are rarely heard. I have to strain my ears to catch their chirping. Alas, concretization and pollution has started leaving its mark. During and after festivals, the chirping and humming almost stops. It's becoming a pattern. And who else is responsible? Of course, we, us. Who else? Mindless felling of trees, polluted water, and insane bursting of crackers. All these acts of ours are responsible for the bird brigade to vanish. It's time we take stock of our actions and find ways to curb the atrocities caused on nature. It's only then that our little friends will have their homes back. It's not that only the birds need us, we need them too. Do you know these beautiful and alert creatures are the first to feel the changes in climatic conditions? They are the first to warn us about impending natural disasters. They love insects and worms. So, with birds around, we will have less infestation of these icky, crawling, unwanting guests. And there is more. Without help from birds, some type of trees don't even pollinate. So, more birds, more trees, pleasing environment. Now that's a very straight equation. Time to save our little friends then, cause their safety is, and most importantly, our safety too. Thank you. Next is an autobiography. Autobiography of a tree. Hi everyone, welcome home. Look up, it's me, the Gulmohar tree. It's such a pleasure to have you all back in the village. Your grandparents have been waiting for you all day. How were your exams? And what about your brother's football match? Did they win? How do I know this? Kids, I know everything. Have known your moms, aunts, and uncles since their birth. This courtyard would fill with their laughter and giggles every single summer. Oh, those were such wonderful days. Endless book reading sessions, mango eating competitions, hopscotch, ludo, and grandma's bedtime stories. Have witnessed them all. You see, kids, I am in full bloom during summers. All kids love to collect my bright red orange flowers. Many even call me the tree of fire. In fact, one of your uncles once wrote a poem for me. It went something like, every year from May to June, our dear Gulmohar is in full bloom. The orange hue, the soothing shade, the unending carpet of fiery red. It makes for such a glorious sight to see. That's why this flame of fire is my favorite tree. This always makes me feel special. Now things have changed. The thatched roof, which I flooded with my flowers, is gone. The car parks have taken over the cattle sheds. Games are now played only on mobiles. But mobiles are a boon. They keep you all connected. I am so glad that each one of you takes time to call your grandparents. You know, kids, these phone conversations with you are the high point of their days. Stories of your achievements are shared with them with great pride. I too regale in them. Come on now, off you go, kids. Enjoy the delicacies prepared specially for you. See you around. Thank you. Next is a short paragraph on our grandparents. Grandparents are our guides, our friends, our secret keepers, our shields. Grandparents give us a very secure feeling. They fill our lives with warmth and unconditional love. They are our unending reservoir of knowledge. Our grandparents have vast experience and they know the world that we live in better than us. Their vision is far more clear. Their advice and suggestions should always be followed. They teach us the ways of nurturing relations and letting go of unwanted thoughts. Grandparents in our life is God's blessing on us.